Hey guys. Say hey guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys. So today is the first day of Vlogmas. I am contemplating whether I actually want to do it because, but it kind of feels nostalgic in terms of back in the day. The old YouTube crew knows about Vlogmas, and I kind of want to capture some of the moments with both. So maybe this will be a thing, but maybe it won't. So I'm not gonna hold myself to it if it doesn't work out. But today I wanted to show you guys the advent calendar that I got for Bo. Whoa, do you know what this is?
Yeah.
What is it? Yeah, try to open. Okay, so today we're only allowed to open. Today we're only able to open the first one. So this is one. So we can open the first one and see what's inside. This one.
A car.
A car. And it has something here.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you, Advent calendar. Oh, it's Santa who probably left it for you. Yeah, so we can just close the door. And then tomorrow we'll try a different one, okay? Let's see how this car works.
Oh no.
So today is a PD day, meaning professional development day. Or PA day, I think it's called, at Bo's school. Bo, can I just finish talking to these guys? Yeah, so I'm just letting them know that today is a PA day at school, so you're not at school today, but we're gonna be spending the day together, like the good old days. And so now we're gonna go try see if we can find a Christmas tree for your room, right? Do you wanna do that?
Yeah.
Let's go decorate your room, yeah? For Christmas, so that Santa can come to your room. Do you want Santa to come to your room?
Mhm.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, are you ready for your surprise tree? So come see. So we got this tree from Michael's, and we have to see what it looks like. See, this is what it's supposed to look like over there. Let's take it out. Wow, it is a tree, yeah? Santa! So we put together the Christmas tree. It looks kind of cute, but I have to figure out a way to stick it to the wall. I tried to use tape, but it doesn't seem to work, obviously, because it's felt. So yeah, I'm gonna try and see if I can find some double-sided tape or something like that. The only thing I'll say is these little dots, for little kids, it's kind of hard for them to match it to the back of the, like in the right place, but he definitely seemed to have enjoyed it. Yeah, kind of looks good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna change his bedding because, yeah, we're not gonna do that. But I really think next year I will. But yeah, I love it. It looks pretty cute. I removed the art that was there before, the map, just for the season. And yeah, I might put something else like a little snow globe or something like that in there. But yeah.
Look at him fly fly across the ceiling. And then we do just a straight walk. Whoa, who's got that kid? You're too heavy. You're too heavy.
Day. 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 Day.
Are you done?
No speaking.
Okay, that's good enough. Well, what are you doing? Okay. You put me on your shoulders? Bo.